Do you know many people say they want to crack MAANG job? They prepare for 2 days, disappear for 2 weeks and then blame the process. I also have been at that same place, but I'm done with excuses and I'm giving myself exactly 365 days and I'm taking you with me. Before we begin, here's why you should trust this journey. I have spent last 7 years building real systems and solving real problems across different domains like FMCG, finance, e-commerce, pharma and consulting, working across various multinational companies like IBM, KPMG, Eli Lilly, Amazon and currently ThoughtWorks. I have been a software engineer, data engineer, a consultant. I have seen how interviews actually work. I have seen how real systems are built in the industry. So instead of preparing privately, I'm doing it publicly with discipline. Every single day for next 365 days. I will be solving and explaining one DSA problem every day, along with system design, real world projects, and the thinking patterns which top company expects. So there will be no fluff, no shortcuts, just mastery. This isn't just a channel, this is a dojo, and a dojo has some rules. And I also have prepared a list of rules which we have to follow to make ourselves consistent for the next 365 days. Rule number 1, revise yesterday before learning today. Mastery comes from reinforcement. Always repeat yesterday's problem before starting today's. Rule number 2, pattern first, code later. If you can't identify the pattern, you are practicing the wrong skill. Rule number 3, code without fear, review without ego. Your first solution is allowed to be ugly. Your ego is not. Rule number 4, 2 problems a day, learning plus reinforcement. 1 new problem to learn the pattern and 1 old problem to keep it sharp. Rule number 5, explain your logic loud. If you can't speak it, you don't truly understand it. Rule number 6, even on your worst day, keep the consistency. If you are able to give 30 minutes only, give it. I have prepared the roadmap in such a way that every day at least 30 to 60 minutes you have to give, and that's all. Momentum keeps you alive. I have roughly created the complete roadmap for the next 365 days. So let's jump into our screen. Here's the first roadmap for our daily DSA problem. So every day we will solve one problem. Here's the list of all the problems. Let me zoom it a little bit so that you will be able to see all the topics which I will be covering in the complete roadmap. So as I already mentioned, it will be pattern driven. You don't only code, you will just find the pattern first, like which pattern the particular problem is, and then we will solve the problem. So the first thing you will keep in mind that the pattern recognition is very important. So accordingly, I have created multiple topics like 2-pointer pattern, then sliding window, prefix sum, binary search, intervals, sorting algo, cyclic sort, some questions on linked list, stacks, queues, recursion, backtracking, matrices, then binary tree, bitwise, then top k elements, k, way values, 2 heaps, like dynamic programming, graphs, greedy, design data structures, and miscellaneous. So these are the topics. So these are not fixed. As we go along, we will update this roadmap accordingly. Our next roadmap will be of system design. So under system design, I have divided the system design into HLD and LLD. So in HLD, what we will learn? We will learn from scratch, like how to scale from 0 to million users. And then we will learn back of the envelope estimation, how we'll do all the estimations. Then the basics of system design. Then we will create a rate limiter. Accordingly, we will follow along and learn all the topics in HLD. We'll have low level design also. Here in low level design, we'll have OOPS fundamentals, then class relationships, then design principles, design patterns, UML, and later we will solve problems based on LLD. So under fundamentals, we'll have basic class and objects and the OOPS concepts. Then the class relationships, association, aggregation, composition, dependency. Then design principles, we have try, Yagni, Kiss, and solid principles. Then design patterns, we will learn like 3 types of design patterns basically: creational, structural, behavioral. So inside this, we will learn all the type of design patterns inside these 3 classifications. We will have another section as well, which is real projects. So under real projects, these are the projects I have shortlisted. As I already mentioned, this won't be fixed. As we proceed, we will update this list accordingly. So as of now, I have kept these projects here. Just pause and have a look on it. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Now, to keep the discipline tight, I have created the schedule for all the roadmaps. I will publish the daily DSA problem explanation at 6 p.m. every day. For system design, it will be once every 2 weeks. So I will publish the system design video every 2 weeks on Saturday at around 9 a.m. For monthly project as well, we'll have monthly project every month, and that also will be on Saturday, but it will be published by 11 a.m. in the morning. So there will be no surprises, no randomness. So this is a structured, predictable and disciplined training routine. If you are tired of random tutorials, tired of inconsistent preparations, and want a structured, disciplined path to crack MAANG or any top level product companies, you are at the right place. This dojo is for freshers who want to stop doubting themselves and start building confidence, and also for mid-level and senior level professionals and software engineers who feel stuck in their career, who wants to level up, who are tired of their comfort zone and ready to chase the job they actually want and not the job they are settled for. If that sounds like you, welcome. You will fit right in. If you are serious, not curious, I'm talking about serious. If you are serious, then hit the subscribe button and start the day one with me. And before you go, I'm building a small Discord community for everyone walking this 365 days path. I'm not here to be your tutor. I'm a learner just like you, just someone who refuses to give up. But I can guide you because I have been through real interviews at Amazon, ThoughtWorks, IBM, and many product companies. If you want accountability, consistency, support, and a group of people training together every day, join the DojoCodeX Discord server. I will provide the link to the server in the comment section and also in the description. Let's build a community that refuses to quit. Welcome to DojoCodeX. The grinding begins from today. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care.